Armrest pads are often attached to the armrest with 2 screws. Start by removing the 2 screws and remove the armrest pad. Next, take the armrest mounting plate and place it on the armrest, making sure that the holes you use to mount to the quick release adapter plate is facing towards the back of the chair. Line up the mounting plate with the holes in the armrest and add your D-shaped washers. And now secure with the M5 or M6 screw. For temporary installation, you can use a hex nut. And for long-term installations, you can cut the screw and use a cap nut. Next, take the plastic spacer and add it on top of the plate, lining up the holes with the mounting holes. Take the quick release adapter plate, removing it from the arm support if you need to, and line up the slot with the mounting holes. Add the washer plate and screw the M6 screws into the threaded holes of the armrest mounting plate. For lateral adjustment, you can slide the quick release in or out. Slide the arm support onto the quick release.